Hello, welcome to Math Focus. How to solve for a in this beautiful equation 8 raised to power a plus 2 raised to power a is equal to 130. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Solution. We have the given equation 8 raised to power a plus 2 raised to power a is equal to 130. Then this can be written as 8 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, and this is equal to 2 raised to power 3. So we have 2 raised to power 3 to the power of a plus 2 raised to power a is equal to 130. Take note of this, that if you have a raised to power m to the power of n is equal to a raised to power n to the power of m, this is equal to a raised to power mn. Then this can be written as 2 raised to power a to the power of 3 plus 2 raised to power a is equal to 130. Now let us bring this 130 to this side. We have 2 raised to power a to the power of 3 plus 2 raised to power a minus 130 is equal to 0. Now let a is equal to y. Then this can be written as y raised to power 3 plus y minus 130 is equal to 0. Then both 130 is equal to 26 multiplied by 5. But here we have y. Then y is equal to 26y minus 25y. So the whole of this can be written as y raised to power 3. Then plus y now will be replaced as this by this. Y now will be replaced by this. We have 26y minus 25y minus 130 is equal to 0. Now this can be written as we have y bracket here, we have y square minus this 25, then plus 26 bracket y minus 5 is equal to 0. Now we have y bracket y square minus 25 can be written as 5 square plus 26 bracket y minus 5 is equal to 0. Now if you look at this, this is in the form of perfect square. That is, if you have a square minus b square, this is equal to a plus b bracket a minus b. Then we have y bracket y plus 5 bracket y minus 5, then plus 26 bracket y minus 5 is equal to 0. Here you can see that y minus 5 is common here and is common here. Let's bring it out. We have y minus 5 bracket. If you divide the whole of this by this, we have y bracket y plus 5 bracket. Then if you divide the whole of this by this, we have plus 26 bracket is equal to 0. So here we have y minus 5 bracket, this is y times y square plus y times 5y plus 26 bracket is equal to 0. Now there are two cases here. The first case is y minus 5 is equal to 0, and the second case is y square plus 5y plus 26 is equal to 0. So from this one here, y is equal to 5. This is the first value of y. And from here, this is a quadratic equation which can be solved using quadratic general formula. We have y is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a, or y is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of discriminant d over 2a. And from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 5, then c is equal to 26. Then we have y is equal to minus 5 plus or minus square root of 5 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 26 over 2 multiplied by 1, or discriminant d is equal to b square. We have 5 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 26. This is equal to 5 square. We have 25 minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 26. That is 104. Then d is equal to 25 minus 104. That is minus 79, which is less than 0. So this is rejected. Then the only real solution we have is y is equal to 5. Then we have y is equal to 5 as the real solution. But 2 raised to power s is equal to y. Then 2 raised to power s is equal to 5. Let us take the log on both sides of this equation. We have log 2 raised to power s is equal to log 5. And this is s log 2 is equal to log 5. Let's divide both sides by log 2. Divided by log 2, and this divided by log 2. This log 2 cancel this log 2. S is equal to log 5 over log 2. Then S is equal to, the whole of these can be written as log 5 base 2. So this is the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation: 8 raised to power s plus 2 raised to power s is equal to 130. Then this is 8 raised to power log 5 base 2 plus 2 raised to power log 5 base 2 must be equal to 130. Now this can be written as 2 raised to power 3 to the power of log 5 base 2 plus 2 raised to power log 5 base 2 must be equal to 130. Now here, this can be written as 2 raised to power log 5 raised to power 3 base 2 plus 2 raised to power log 5 base 2 must be equal to 130. Take note of this, that if you have a raised to power log b base a, this is equal to b. So this can be written as 5 raised to power 3 plus the whole of this is 5 must be equal to 130. Then 5 raised to power 3, this is 125 plus 5 must be equal to 130. And of course, 125 plus 5, this is 130, is equal to 130, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.